Chill.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 3:00 p.m. At 2:21 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pierce, or 17 miles north of Greeley, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Eaton, Alt, Pierce, Nunn, Purcell, Gailton, Gill, and Barnesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rain is occurring with this storm and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in
My gosh, they won't calm down. Like, they issued a flash flood warning at 2:06, then a watch at 2:19, and now they just issued this. Chill.